Slide the first FR sleeving onto the suppressor to measure the required length. Mark where you need to cut if necessary. You can also double sleeve the suppressor to ensure the heavy cover fits well, especially since it's being used on a PCC. Measure and mark the second sleeving, ensuring it's about 1.5 inches longer than the first sleeving for proper overlay. Ensure the shorter sleeving is on the inside, with the outside sleeving about 1/8 to 1/4 inch longer for optimal coverage. Slide both sleeves onto the suppressor, ensuring that the end of the outer sleeve extends slightly beyond the rear of the suppressor for complete coverage. Adjust the position of the sleeve so that a small portion of the suppressor is exposed at the front for aesthetics or functionality. If there's significant overhang, consider adding a third sleeve to compensate for any length discrepancies. Begin cinching the cover down from the front towards the back to ensure it fits snugly and won't fly off during use. Tighten the rope on one side of the cover to secure the front part, making sure to work away from the loop for a snug fit. Continue to tighten the cover at the rear to prevent it from sliding off. Ensure the cover is cinched tightly around the entirety of the suppressor's body. Take the rope and loop it around, going against the loop cord. Find the small grooves or gaps where the rope can be cinched down further. Pull on the bungee to loop it around once or twice, securing it tightly. Thread the bungee through the loop cord and cinch point for an additional loop, ensuring everything is tight and secure. Ensure everything is snug and secure. The double or triple sleeving technique provides extra protection for the suppressor, making it suitable for higher demands of a PCC.